Now 5 o'clock in the morning, I picking flower from our garden. This is my Bhinka plant. Bhinka is a medicinal plant. Its leaves, flower, everything used for medicinal purpose. For hair care, skin care. Hibiscus also a medicinal plant. This hibiscus called in Bengali Horogaudi Java. It's blooming so many. In this season, hibiscus blooming nicely. This is Alamanda, small variety. This is our home garden. We give plant home manure, dry leaves, etc. Wastage of kitchen. See how blooming it. Alamanda, this is big alamanda. We do not purchase flower from the market. We get so many flowers in every season from our home garden. And picking flower is very nice. We enjoy it. See how much flower. This is another variety, pink in color. Double variety hibiscus, this one. This flower is very auspicious and very useful for health. My basket is full. See how much flower. This is our basil plant. Thank you.